Tinda sila unsa na panyam no? Panyam. Kani. 20. Tapos ug mopalit kag isa ka gatos. Kana unong kabuok. Unom sa kagatos. Okay sa imong ngalan.
Yan.
Siya?
Si G.
Si G. Kana?
Yan po.
Sige. Sige, paliton na ko.
Yan po.
5? 5?
Lima lang.
Ha?
5.
5?
Oh, 5 lang po.
Kaya. Kung paliton tanan, pila man na? Tanan.
Nagi to gusto ko. Nagi sa ko. Dusi, bisa.
Oh, dungagi ko sa kay paliton ako. Para di na mo manlibot. Ha?
Oh, dungag usa.
Dungagi ko sa. Na, di na mo manlibot. Pila man na? 200? 200 tanan gay. Sige, kay merinda ni Ugma. Oh. Kanyang. Oh. Sige, ang tindira tagay pod. Tagay pag isa. Karang isa. Sige. Sige. Salamat. Chill ka. Tama. Ayan ang tama. Biro window guys. The rope right there. Very windy. Going to the farm guys. Dito kami. Let's go guys. Let's go. Mag-walk lang. Windy kayo. Very windy. Look like look also. Hi guys and good morning everyone and welcome to our channel Babes Life and Tahimbilis. We back here in Manila na guys yesterday. We arrived here 3 p.m. because our flight from Bacolod is 12 no. We went to Escalante for 3 days to visit our family and I'm happy because I'm here now in Manila for 3 days and now we need to edit a lot of my videos for 2 days guys in Escalante and we need to edit her in the balcony guys, but first we need to clean up this, so very dirty every time you go here outside. Anyway, you need to do cleaning guys because the dust is, I don't know where this from, the dust, so very dirty. So before you sit down over here you need to clean up like this. So dirty. I think later we need to put water this plant. Look, so dirty. I don't know what happened is this. Very dirty. Every time you go, you sit here, you need to clean up first before you sit down because it's so dirty. Usually guys, I'm doing cleaning in the condo look like my own house. And also over here, because sometimes we go over here and then we stand we do my ano guys, holding over here. So if you don't clean over here, that is so very dusty. And look at outside over there. Some people walking. That is the playground over there. Over here. Because I'm doing editing my video over here. Later after ano gani, after breakfast, we need to put water over their plant. That's why we can sit over here and clean. Ayun. Let's go, guys. Magbagay. Walking. Going to the mountain. Going to the mountain. Pagbaklay lang ni. Masarap kaya maglakad.
Yes, masarap maglakad para unsa?
Masarap maglakad.
Ayun mo wa.
Padaplin mo kay may mga salakyan.
Ay, kinabuntag pingkya na tapi kinabuntag ko para budak ko tungreo. Sige. Mingawa may ganang ikaw Rosa.
Ha?
Matakan ka
Tawag
na.
ko nimo.
Ha? Kana mabuntag ba? Sabi mas buntag. Nasabot-sabot wala madayon.
Masarap maglakad ngayon kasi
Yan ako ko
maganda. Oo. Nice to walk, guys, because
The view is very beautiful.
not hot. And
And the video.
Tunis, Ninya,
Ako ko sala.
Ninya and Pinky. Also, my back is my sister.
Ninya and Pinky is beautiful. Both of us.
And so very windy.
My eyes is ano. So
Very nice video. Look at that. Katul. Lot of spinach over here. You can harvest this and cook. Wild siya.
Kuya tag sunod. Pero sabi ito, tara na lang jud.
Spinach.
Kuya tag sunod. Ang santos maksimo. Mga magkilir.
Ha? No. Gusto mo na niya? Ha? Ano pala to dito?
Ha?
Mayroong ano dito guys. Look at that. The store.
Pero sige, kita po noon. Sige na lang.
Ito, ano na dito guys. Development. And also, very nice to walk over here. Have, ano guys. Walk. Okay, pa over here, no? Yeah. That area. Oh, lot is for list. Why? Lot for list over there.
Alam mo ka nang gawin dyan. Tapos, naligon tayo mabaka mo. Patay.
Ano? Tadlo nga pag-istorya. Kaya naarbay kay Mike.
Ako ang masiyon! Kinala ko, Mike.
Right there.
Pasigisa niya na ako. Teka, katawa ko magsimo sa likod.
Ha?
Katapon ko. Kaya nang gala kami tapos kang video tapos ikaw ang gilid. Ang tanga na.
Baklay lang yun. Very nice to walk, guys, because the weather is nice.
Mukha ang gilid.
The hard work.
Kaya baka nasa likod pa mukha ang gilid. Nagabantay, wala nagabantay sa lakay ba?
I-planting ang palaya, guys.
Saan siya?
Oh, this house is so very big. Who's the owner of this house?
Kanang anong video ba? I-zone mo ba nagkisa? Basi may multo or kung ikaw kili.
Huh? Nobody live here? Huh? Huh? Very huge house. This is very nice.
Wala ba na
house,
ko?
guy. In the front is very big. You can put something in there. Oh, have a big
Anong gwapo
truck.
bitaw ka?
Because have big truck. You need to wait. This is the road going there. No? Huh? Straight in the hospital.
Walking the street.
Okay. Oh, nag-backing man.
Liko.
This one big truck, guys. Uy, padaplin. Padaplin ba?
The truck is big, very big.
And the over there. Oh. Oh. This is transloading over here?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, over there.
Oh,
You see
wow.
See this?
Look at that over guy.
Wala ta.
Transloading? Wala to ba no guys?
Over there. Sugar cane.
Sugarcane over there. Okay. Lot of sugarcane. That's why I have a big guy.
Sa English, nakarantang ko. Galing eh.
Big truck over here.
Kung sa lake walang tangkong.
Basta kangkong.
Very nice to
Pero
walk.
gano'y stitch nun. Ayaw inin. Ayaw.
Nice to walk kasi it's not hot guys. Because the sun is not come out. Yeah. Oh. Transloading here. Ay. Somebody
sila nag-video ka. Video na.
They remove the star guys.
Remove the star. Lightning.
Ay, hindi.
Christmas is not over.
What's happening with me?
And have PPT
My
station.
lungs
gas
is
station.
very katol-katol.
Yeah, gas station right there.
Ayun, gusto kayo dari. Laki tagi mo. Ano siya puro?
Oh, another big house over here, oh. Wala. No one to live over here. Oh, ano sila? Ha? Nag-remove na sila sa mga stars. Gi-remove na ang mga star. They starting removing the star, boy. Good afternoon. Ha? Kinsa siya? Kapit na? Ha? Okay. Nagtanggal na sila. Big house over here. Huh? Commercial o house?
Ano man ako?
Ha? I think we need to get one over here. But my tip is not carry. Ha? This one. We need store one. That is yogurt. Pwede ka gumaan dyan. Right? Oh, very nice over here. You need to walk over here. Very windy. Look like Hablo Precio.
Salit na yun.
Very nice to walk. Oh! Wow, have 7-Eleven over there. Have 7-Eleven right there. Oh.
Tawal ko si Kuya.
Over here. Hospital? Right there?
Oh. Saan po yung muon dati?
Where? Bibiyaan naman ta. Right here, guys. Only 5 minutes walk from the house. But the problem, I thought for her only duty once a week, right? Once a week only. The doctor. Yeah. This is the hospital right there. Hospital. Escalante Hospital.
Lagi ako vlogger.
Oh. Ano?
Tingana ko, nag-books yan, nag-books. Simento.
Bakit people is not using the pathway? The government guy. You mean build up like this? So that's why the people is walk over here. Because they wide the road. 4 line already and they walk also the footwalk. Footwalk. Dito pala. A footwalk, guys. But the problem, some people is not walk over here. Walking right there. Serious going to Bacolod.
Ha? Ayan
Oh, what is that? Oh, wow. What is that?
guba na
Pumilo? Oh. Okay, big. Very big, Pumilo, wow. Very nice. Look. That is pumilo. Oh. Yeah, pumilo, guys. Look at that. Okay, malakat ko dito. Sige. Sige. Lakat po. Padaplin, ha? Padaplin mo, ha? Oh, have car pass by over here. This is the shortcut going to the City Hall. Huh? That over there? So, that over there. Yeah.
Background ng hero.
This one in City Hall is very nice view over there. Beautiful view. Yeah.
Lain man ang kanta sa Cubao. Wala yung music.
Mao. My sister vlogging. Vlogging. Nag-vlogging ang sister. What is this over there?
Fish pan. Sa'yo na fish pan na nin.
Biscuit.
Uy, kuha na baligad. Gidako, gidako.
Sige. Ha?
Then,
Pisman?
biyag.
Ano to?
Fish pan na de, gay? Kuan man eh.
Ang una,
Pu-
Pispan?
Punong? Saan lagi?
nahimo ng fish pan. Kasi kung may gawin, ang una.
Daghag ko ang spinach. Water spinach.
Bawo na ka na. Himo naman nagbasukahan.
Na?
Himo na magbasukahan man. Kung nagtangkong dagko yung tilapia eh.
The smell bad. I think because from the hospital.
Sudaan na nila.
Namingwit na sila diha?
Mingwit na, oo. Mingwit.
Lot of people fishing over there, guys. Fishing. Hmm.
Dalo mo na kayo.
Ha? Very deep over here. But I think the water is so dirty.
Then,
No? It's not dirty.
giskwela
The water.
Then,
Agriculture.
namingot sila di ay panay sudan.
Water, guy, because every day rainy. Off and on. Today off and on rainy. We stop our video over there, guy, because the tricycle driver, oh, the vlogger is passed by. We have money, he told me. But I'm a small YouTuber also, guys. We earn only a cent. Ay, so that's why. Oh, look at that, oh. Oh. Pumilo. This is the deep aid. Deep aid over here. Ay, yeah.
Yan nagagmay lugim.
Miracle fruit di ay to dito. Over there. What is that over there? Huh? Hmm. Some people play volleyball right there. You can play volleyball right there. Deep aid right here.
Kaya,
Ano, picture na. And the sun over there. Oh, the cow. Cement man din eh. Dre. Na? Cement. Ah, over there. Yeah. It's very nice too.
cellphone.
It's not,
Ano mo?
it's not
Agi-charge,
hot.
ano mo riyan?
Exercise din.
Good
Good afternoon.
Ala, inon mo na cut na ta.
Look like ano guy from my sister house going to the another piece of land. 20 minutes walk. So we need to walk only. Look at that the cow over there. Cow. And the hospital, you see that? At the hospital. Only 5 minutes walk from the house of my sister. Very close.
Hmm? Di.
Kana daan. Over there, kay. Uy, ayog duol ng manok.
Sure.
Kaghanag roster diri gayoy. Lot of roster.
Oo, di na yung magitiman.
Akala ko nabinta na to.
Sa chatra.
Wala pang bumili. Binibinta daw to eh. Magkano binta dito? That's... Wow. Oh, malaking ano to eh. Oh wow. Ang katabi ni... chart. This is chart, right? Chart over here, guys. And this, my brother and my youngest brother living here. This is her small house. Yan, guys. Oh, no. Lot of roster. My brother is lot of roster. May susi.
Nga patalo. Dutas ako ano? Sa puti. Ay, gali ang manok. Roster is so many.
Grabe ginong mosquito ane. Lot of roster over here.
Tsura na po di mo. So many roster over
Oh my goodness. Look at that, the jackfruit.
Over there.
over there. Yeah.
What happened to the jackfruit? The jackfruit is very small. Look like ano? What is
Look
that?
like
Marang. Marang. Look like a marang.
palantan yung papa mo, gang.
Usually that is very nice. Put ano, pork. Pork soup
Ano gamiton?
with jackfruit. No? But what happened? So very small.
Anong din yung manok na din.
I think this is not good. Yeah. This one, frog. Oh, hinog. Piswingi daw daw yung kuhan. What is this? Look like a marang.
Oh, ang sheep siyang kuan magmarang. Nindot kino?
Kuhan ako no. May guna siguro sa mayon tag nagsapat Naku, lot of mosquito here.
Kuan nita hinog ne. Mo ba siya mga kuan ay kay magmarang og tubo ng ato nita oh. Sabi ba dig usa ka pong.
Maglala na.
Very so many coconut.
Yeah. You need to get that lot of coconut.
If you want to
and
buko
that
salad,
one.
you get this one.
The coconut and the jackfruit. So that's why we need to cook. And plus, we get the one of the roaster. One of the roaster. My goodness.
And
Boy. That the roaster guy. Lot of
Have a
roaster
dinner.
over here. Yung linggo, still not rotting.
the rooster over there. Get one. Get one and cook.
Where?
Get one and
Oh,
cook.
banana ready to
And we have
ready to
the-
harvest.
We have
I think you need to get that, but why my brother not told me she have banana here? He have banana.
Daming banana.
Oh, what is that? That is ano? Sikwa?
Patola.
Patula, oh. Ready to harvest the patula. The patula is over here. You need to climb up. Ala. Oh my goodness, so many roaster here. Lot of roaster,
Get
guys.
one and cook.
Yeah. You need to get one and cook.
For dinner.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. My brother lot of roaster. Manuhik ra ba na ko no? Ingon to sulta sa nga ayog dool.
Matuguro sa dako, oh. Gulang.
Lot of roster, be. No more snake hair?
Puro taling.
Oh, why?
Pinky, nasa malikod.
Very ano? Oh, you need to harvest here. Patula. Lot of patula. Ha? Na, di ko na mo anha diha. Kay masamad ta. Oh, the tree is bigger already after 3 years. We come here 3 years ago. Yeah. Oh. They do laundry over here and hang. Oh my goodness. So very ano. Very. That is the banana you planted? Oh, grew na.
Ano pa na, di gali. Ay,
My sister planted banana over there and grew already. May pa noon og nagjogging pants ko kay dagham day lamok dire.
Dagan. Mabitaw yung kuan ko.
I think this one is old na. Right?
Yeah, pwede na siyang ilogboard.
Oh, wow. I slipped the patula over here. Oh,
Watermelon.
oh wow. We slipped the patula there.